All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here in one of my favorites, 1966 Chevy Malibu Sport Coupe. My first car was a 67 Chevelle, and man, it takes me back. So much fun to drive and great memories. Anyway, this one was restored by the previous owner himself. He used to own a bunch of body shops, super talented. So he made this car to be a testament to what his mom's was. His mom had this exact same car, butternut yellow, black interior, automatic transmission, V8, factory air. So he duplicated it. Kind of neat. So, wasn't this color original or anything like that, but doesn't matter. It's not why he built it. Built it for labor or love. So, pretty high-end restoration, frame off. But again, finished in butternut yellow, black interior. Got the bench seat here. It's got factory power steering, factory power brakes, factory air conditioning, air blows cold. Got a little custom auto sound radio there in the dash with an auxiliary port in the glove box. You can listen to music off your phone. But it's even got the original steering wheel and everything in this car. Still has drum brakes in front. You know, he was duplicating a car that they once had. So I don't know, disc brake conversion would probably be nice to have. But other than that, I wouldn't change a thing. Paint quality is incredible, and it just drives like a 66 Malibu did way back when. Oh, we'll go up here and take some more pictures and videos so you get a little better look at it. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here with our 1966 Chevy Malibu Sport Coupe. Beautiful car. Frame off restored, finished in butternut yellow with a black vinyl top, black bench seat, all new vinyl interior, new headliner, new seat upholstery, all new weather stripping. It has 695 miles on it since it was done. It's a black plated California car. It's built in Fremont, California. I have the Protecto plate for the car. It was sold brand new at Community Chevrolet in Los Angeles, and the original owner was from Burbank, California. So pretty neat car. Everything's been done on the car though. Any sheet metal work that needed to be done was done professionally. It's got brand new wheels and tires. Those are kind of cool, and magnums. And you know what? This is a canvas. If you want to put some raised white letter TAs on there and some rallies or whatever you like, you can do it. But all the hard work is done. The paint is incredible, high quality. All the chrome has been redone. All the trim has been replaced. All the glass. I'll show you the interior. New carpeting, new dashboard, all the plastic and chrome trim has been redone. All the gauges. It's really nice. Back seats probably never been sat in. Just taken to a few car shows, that was about it. Original steering wheel, one of those custom auto sound radios with the auxiliary port in the glove box. Column shift, pretty cool. 350, 2-speed power glide automatic, 10-bolt rear differential, dual exhaust, still has exhaust manifolds on it. Just a beautiful little car to drive. And about half the price of what it cost to build it. Here's the power plant in the 66 Malibu. Nice little crate motor 350. Can't beat a 350 V8, super reliable, easy to take care of. This one's got aluminum intake on it, probably gives a little bit more power. Little carburetor on there, redone, 4-barrel carburetor. Power brakes, it is drum, but it's power. Factory power steering, and factory air that actually works. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. There's your VIN, factory VIN. It's a smooth running little car. Just take it anywhere you want, go cruising. Local cars and coffee. Nice and quiet. You can muscle that up if you want to too. Put some Flowmasters on it, some headers. But I don't know, I kind of like what the guy did. Did a nice job to it. Little chrome tips coming out the back. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and see us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person or If you want some more pictures of it, I mean, even the frame is gloss painted black. So good looking underneath and ready for the next owner. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.